Sorry if I'm a little orange, it's just the lighting. There's a pull tab, how easy. Okay, so basically, pull it, right? And then, oh my god. Whew. I mean, it's not mine, but whatever. Okay, so here it is. Look at it in all its glory. Okay, and then I'm just going to... Oh. I haven't had this like type of unboxing in such a long time. Because you know how Apple has the pull tab? But this is like the base model, so it does have where you cut it with knife. And it's so satisfying cutting plastic. And I want to open it. You guys hear that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna eat one scoop of ice cream first. 5-second challenge. Let's see if you guys can subscribe, give a thumbs up, and turn on the notification icon. I'm just gonna eat ice cream. One scoop of ice cream. No, I'm just open it. Oh, look how beautiful it looks. You can see that. Okay, so here's the iPad. I'm just gonna power it on. And this is what else it comes in a box. It comes with your lightning cable. Oh my god. Important part. I'm kidding. The regular user manual, and it also comes with Apple stickers too. If I can find them. Here, the Apple stickers. Set it up, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so right now I'm using a quick setup, and it's just finishing up right here. One reason why I bought this iPad was because it's kind of like the iPad Air 1, so it's really similar. There's not that much new features that my mom really needs to use, so it would be easier kind of for her to transfer, and also because it was like at price range that I had, like the money that I had. So yeah, that's scan the fingerprint, but I just wanted to turn and peel this, so let's just get like good detail. I'm finished setting it up, so I'm just gonna put on the case right now. This case is from Apple. It's a smart case because it was like easier, and it was like easiest one to find. I'm just gonna put this on like that. And then here it is. So what this comes with is it comes with some installation ingredients. I'm just gonna finish eating my ice cream first. So right now I'm just going to be installing the screen protector. So right here I have the ingredients. You can see. I have everything here. And it comes with some like weird stickers. And I'm gonna take a little white cloth. Open it up and get the screen protector out.
To remove the sticker.
Oh, it's on the side. Okay. You guys can see how sweaty my hands are. So they have these hinge stickers, and what you want to basically do is basically you're going to put it. Basically, I really like this new iPad. My mom actually thinks it's pretty fast. And it's basically the same as the old one, kind of ish. Laminated display it is pretty noticeable people who are just browsing the web and doing regular stuff. I don't think they really care much, and the battery life is pretty good too. It's just 60% right now. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I explained what I got this for, and this was for my mom. It was like an earliest Mother's Day present, so I got engraving on here. I said best mother and my mom's name, but yeah. So we're upgrading from a 5-year-old iPad, so that's why I got this iPad. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want a review video, my review on this, and I could also ask my mom what her review is on this iPad, don't forget to comment that down below, and I will let you guys know what my review is. And yeah, see you guys later, and hope you guys subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification or behind the scenes. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is down below. See you guys later.